Hello, guys. Today we are going to talk about understanding fat loss, a data driven approach. Welcome to this comprehensive breakdown of fat loss. Today, we will be diving into four key areas, which is first is fat oxidation conditioning, second is tiered energy consumption, third is glucose spikes, and fourth is real time decision making. The system is designed to give you a data driven approach to understanding fat loss and how to optimize it. So let's talk about the first section of this video is fat oxidation conditioning. So let's understand what is fat oxidation. So fat oxidation refers to the body's ability to break down fat into energy. This process is crucial for fat loss because it determines how efficiently your body can use fat as fuel. The mitochondria, often called the powerhouse of cell, play a key role in this process by converting fat into usable energy. It's important to understand that fat oxidation is different from carbohydrate oxidation, which uses glucose as energy. So, what factors influence fat oxidation? So, there are several factors. First is exercise intensity is a major one. The lower intensity activities tend to rely more on fat for fuel, while high intensity exercise burn more of carbohydrates. Aerobic exercises like jogging primarily use fat, while anaerobic exercises burn more glucose. The duration of your workout also matters. The longer you exercise, the more your body switch to fat oxidation, especially as glycogen store depletes. Your fitness level also plays a big role. Training individual oxidize fat more efficiently. So, what methods you can use to enhance fat oxidation? So, first is high intensity interval training, which is known as HIIT, also known as endurance training. This could improve both fat oxidation and fast rate cardio, or exercising on the empty stomach is often debated. While it can boost fat oxidation, it's not for everyone. Your diet can also enhance fat oxidation. Low carb, high fat diets encourage the body to rely more on fat for fuel. We can also use like monitoring fat oxidation, which is tracking the fat oxidation can be done with the wearable devices or in the lab setting using indirect calorimetry, which is a calorimeter. Interpreting this data can help you understand how your body burns fat during exercise. Let's understand what are the common myths associated with it. So, one common myth is the idea of fat burning zone. While a low intensity exercise does rely more on fat, overall calorie burn is what matters the most for fat loss. Another myth is that meal timing dramatically affects fat oxidation. In reality, total calorie and the macronutrient intake are more important. Okay, so let's talk about the section two, which is tiered energy consumption. Is basically an energy hierarchy. Your body has tiered system for energy use. First, it uses glucose and ATP for immediate energy. Then it taps into glycogen store for short-term energy, and finally fat stored for long-term energy needs. Protein breakdown is used as the last resort. Let's understand what do you mean by energy tiers. The body shifts between energy sources depending on the intensity and duration of your activity. For example, during rest or low intensity exercise, fat is a primary fuel source. As exercise intensity increases, the body turns to the glucose and glycogen. After exercise, the body continues to burn the calories, which is called afterburn effect. How to optimize how to optimize this fat utilization? To promote fat loss, create a caloric deficit is essential. Periodizing your workouts, meaning adjusting intensity and duration, can help you tap into different energy reserve. Timing your meals and macronutrients strategically will ensure optimal fat utilizations. The role of hormones is also a big part of play. Hormones play a significant role in energy utilization. Insulin regulates glucose and fat storage, while cortisol and adrenaline can promote fat breakdown. Thyroid hormone, meanwhile, influence overall energy expenditures. Okay, so let's now we are here on section 3, which is glucose spike. So what is a glucose spike? A glucose spike is a rapid increase in the blood sugar level, usually after eating high carb foods. This can trigger an insulin response, which leads to fat storage and can inhibit fat burning. Repeated glucose spike can lead to insulin resistance and other metabolic issues. Its impact on fat loss: when insulin is elevated, your body prioritizes glucose for energy over fat. This means frequent glucose spike can slow down your fat loss progress. In short, so what are the strategies to prevent glucose spikes? To prevent glucose spikes, focus on low glycemic index foods. Balance your meal with fiber, protein, and fat, and practice portion control. Physical activity after meals can also help stabilize glucose level. You can also monitor glucose using wearable devices. This allows you to make dietary adjustments on the spots and optimize your fat loss strategy. So the fourth section we are here on is real-time decision making. So real-time decision making is about using instant feedback to guide your choices for fat loss. Whether it's body signals or data from wearables, making adjustments in this moment can lead to better results. You can use different tracking tools, apps, wearables, and continuous glucose monitors which provides real-time feedback on calories, glucose levels, and physical activity. Heart rate monitor can help you stay in optimal fat burning zone. You have to make dynamic adjustments to your workout. Based on the real-time data, you have to adjust your workout intensity, duration, and rest periods to maximize fat burn. For example, if your energy is low, you might reduce the intensity or take longer rest periods. You need to make nutritional adjustments. You can adjust your macronutrient intake and meal timing based on the real time energy needs. This ensures that the body has fuel in it needs without hindering the fat loss. So yeah, you need to make the behavioral decisions. Develop habits that allow for feedback driven decisions. Pre-planning meals and workouts can reduce decision fatigue and make fat loss more sustainable. By leveraging real time feedback and understanding the body's energy system, you can create a more effective fat loss plan, whether through optimization of fat oxidation, managing glucose spike, or making a real time decision. This data driven approach puts you in control of your fat loss journey. All right, guys. I'm sharing this Excel sheet here, which will help you understand things better. We have four sections on this, as we discuss in detail. We have subtopics, which will further break down this main topic, and then the other details are are very specific. So, uh, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.